Welcome to Emily's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to cook Nasi Lemak. By the way, has anyone tried the chicken rendang which I cooked in the last episode? Yes? So Nasi Lemak is a very famous and popular rice dish in Malaysia, and it's normally served with the sambal sauce, the boiled eggs, cucumbers, peanuts, and anchovies, and one more, the chicken or the beef rendang. And sambal sauce is the soul of the Nasi Lemak. We'll start cooking soon, and first let's have a look at our ingredients. This is 3 cups of rice. I have already washed it. So we add in the salt, the pandan leaves. If you don't have pandan leaves, you can use 1 lemongrass. The coconut milk. Before cooking sambal sauce, we have to do a few preparations. First, we are going to roast our peanuts. Add a little bit of salt. This will be one of the side dishes of Nasi Lemak. Just keep stir fry so that it won't get burned, and when it becomes crispy, it is done. This is belacan. Next we are going to fry the belacan. Do it the same, just need to fry until it becomes crispy. Just in case if you don't know what is belacan, belacan is basically the shrimp paste. You can get it in the Asian grocery store. The belacan is now all dry up and become crispy, so it's done. Next we are going to fry the ikan bilis, which is the anchovies. You need to add a little bit of oil. Just keep fry the ikan bilis under low heat until it becomes crispy. The anchovies is done. You remove the seeds of the dried chilies. Next, we are going to add all these dried chilies into a boiling water and let it soak and boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now we will prepare the sambal sauce. We are going to blend all these 6 ingredients. The belacan, the onion, dried chilies, and the anchovy. See how crispy it is now? Only put half of these anchovies into the blender. Only half. Because the other half, we'll use it as a side dish. Before we start blending, add a little bit of water so that it is easy to blend. We'll start cooking the sambal sauce. This is the oil that we used earlier to fry our anchovies. We are going to add more to cook the sambal sauce. This is a process that will test your patience because you need to stir the sambal sauce continuously for at least 15 minutes under low heat. Next, we are going to add some palm sugar, the salt, some sugars, and the tamarind water. You can add a little bit of water if the sambal sauce is a little bit dry. our Malaysia Nasi Lemak. Ta-da! So we have the peanuts, the anchovies, the sambal sauce, the boiled eggs, the cucumber or zucchini slices, and the chicken rendang. So if you want to know how to make this chicken rendang, please refer to my previous episode. Well guys, I'm not going to say too much now. Please try it because you won't be disappointed with this dish. And my cameraman has been waiting for so long and he's so eager to eat my Nasi Lemak because it is one of my signature dish. Okay guys, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.